morning, sir, and good morning, my dear friends. Today I talk about a book, A Brief History of Time. It is written by Stephen Hawking. Anybody know about him?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Yes,
Yes, scientist. Fine. Stephen Hawking was actually his name was Stephen William Hawking. He was born on 8th June 1942, and he is a theoretical physicist and cosmologist. He was well known in cosmology and general theory of relativity and quantum physics. So he was died on 8th March 2018. Okay, this book was first published in 1988. After that, Hawking resembled by his wish to make the most important theories, discoveries, and phenomena accessible to everyone to understand with the basic 8th grade knowledge of math and physics. So, come to book. In this book, there are 11 chapters. So, first chapter is about our picture of the universe. So, in this chapter, he describes how our structure of the universe, like how the planets are revolving around the sun. Like this, he explained how the olden people think Earth is a flat. Like that, he speak about that. And the second chapter is space and time. Here he described space and time, fourth dimension. Anyone know about fourth dimension? Yeah, okay, good. Fourth dimension and twin paradox, general theory of relativity. And the third chapter is about uncertainty principle. Everyone know about that. We can't predict the position and velocity of a finite particle simultaneously. And the fourth chapter is the elementary particles and forces of nature. Here he described what are the forces in our nature, like a gravitational force, strong force, nuclear force, and weak force. This kind of forces he described in this chapter. After the expanding universe, the next chapter is expanding universe. Here he described what is a blue shift. Blue shift means if our universe was expanding, it is called as a blue shift. If our Earth was contracting, it is called as a red shift. Okay, now our universe was like in a blue shift, it is expanding. Okay, the next chapter, chapter 6 and 7 is about black holes. Why black holes end so black? So like this, he described in this chapter. And chapter 8 was the origin and fate of the universe. Chapter 9 is about arrow of time. Chapter 10 is wormhole and time travel. How we can do a time travel like this. And the final chapter is the unification of physics. Here he described the quantum field theory and general theory of relativity. So then conclusion. Okay, now here I am only talk about 3 lessons I am taking away from it. Okay, first lesson is theory can never be proven. The second one is time is not fixed due to the speed of light, constant speed of light. And the third one is there are 3 reasons why time can likely move forward. Okay, first lesson one is theory can never be proven. So if you come up with a theory like if your software startup needs 1,000 clients to thrive and start earning a profit, you almost instantly accept it and which leads to a lot of disappointment should you fail in spite of reaching your goals. So Hawking says theory is nothing more than a model which correctly explains a big number of observations. So theory can also be disproven if evidence against it. For example, commonly accepted theory until 1903 is nothing heavier than air could fly. What happens then? 90% people jumping out of the window and attaching their wings to their back and flying. What happened then? They would not be a fly. Yeah. Now here the theory was the theory. According to this theory, no one can fly. In the same year, December 17th, Orville Wright stayed in the air for 12 seconds in the gasoline aircraft. He and his brother built. So now the theory was disproven. So Hawking says theory may be disproven or proven according to the evidence. Okay. The second lesson is time is not fixed due to the speed of light, constant speed of light. The general theory of relativity says laws of physics are same in all freely moving objects. So time is a fixed. Speed of light is fixed, which value is 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second. So only time may be vary. For example, if me and Ashin having are 21 years old, if I have a chance to go to space, after 7 years I am coming back and meet Ashin. Ashin age will be 26 or something. But my age will not be 26. It will be lesser than 26. This is the example for time is not fixed. So third lesson is 3 reasons why we can lightly move forward. Time lightly move forward. The first reason is according to thermodynamically. Entropy is tendency to increase disorder wherever it possible. So for example, if you hold a coffee mug, okay, so it will look like a mug form due to the force holding it together. If we drop down the mug, what happened? It broke into a bunch of shards, right? So its entropy is increased. It means so time cannot be moved backward thermodynamically. After psychologically, if we consider the same mug, we know we can remember the mug before it broken. We can remember after. We can predict the future, right? So this is psychologically, and the third one is according to cosmologically. Okay. As the universe expands, I already told the universe was expanding, so then its entropy was increased. If our universe was contracting again, then entropy will be decreased. It means we will first die. Okay, this is all a theory. So at the conclusion, Hawking says is a way of a brief history of time is a way of explaining space, complex concept like space, time, planets, stars, gravity, like this. So if you want to know about this, anyone can read.